Alright you guys, so this is my hair completely brushed out. I brushed out the curl. I know you're used to seeing my hair like this, but I got a package in the mail from wavytalk and I've seen it all over TikTok. We're gonna see how it works. I've got the 5-in-1 interchangeable. It comes with this really thin one, which I'll probably do in another video. It comes with the regular 1-inch barrel and like half-inch barrel for your curls. But the one I'm super excited to try because I've never used something like this before is this one. I've got this part plugged in and you just push this button and press this in and let go. And let's turn it on and let it heat up. Can do another piece. I love it. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I think with more practice I can make it more tighter and I cannot wait to try my vintage waves with the clips with this. But for my first time, I thought this was awesome. The curls turned out so beautiful, super wavy like the mermaid curls. I'm obsessed.